A keyword can look specific in a spreadsheet and still be the wrong page to build. In 2026, the real question is not how many phrases you collected. It is whether you understand the reader's job and can give that job the right answer. This video shows a practical way to make that decision with long-tail keywords. A long-tail keyword is a specific search within a broader topic. It is not defined by a fixed number of words. What matters is how much of the reader's situation the query reveals. Compare the broad search, email marketing, with email marketing software for a two-person nonprofit. The longer query names a task, an audience, and a constraint. That makes the expected answer much easier to recognize. Specificity can come from a location, platform, comparison, audience, problem, or stage of a decision. For example, a 5-person design studio needs a different project management answer than a global enterprise. Someone asking why a Shopify collection page is slow on mobile needs diagnosis, not a generic speed guide. And a freelancer seeking a retainer invoice template expects something usable, not a theory lesson. Specific queries help because intent is clearer. They are not automatically easy to rank for. A narrow query may still have strong competitors, weak business fit, or no useful answer your site can offer. Before building anything, describe the reader's job in one plain sentence. Then ask whether your page can genuinely improve on the results already ranking. Check whether an existing page already solves most of the same job. Finally, make sure you can name a useful next step without padding the page. If you cannot pass those tests, a keyword tool result is not a reason to publish. The goal is a small set of approved decisions, not thousands of rows in a spreadsheet. Start with the words customers already use when they describe their problem. Look at sales calls, support tickets, site search, reviews, onboarding notes, and search console queries. Keep the original customer wording. It often reveals the task more honestly than a polished seed keyword. Next, add modifiers that actually change the job. Useful modifiers include a target user, location, platform, budget, comparison, urgency, and question word. Do not create variations just because a tool can generate them. A variation belongs in a candidate list only when it could require a different answer or decision. Then verify candidates with real data, using an explicit market and language every time. That checkpoint matters because a default country or language can make an apparently precise result misleading. Search volume is a provider estimate of demand for a market and period. It is not guaranteed traffic. CPC and paid competition describe an advertising market. They do not prove organic ranking difficulty. A provider's keyword difficulty is a model competition signal, not a promise that a page will rank. Search console impressions describe your site's exposure. They do not measure demand for every competing site. Use each number as evidence with a label, never as a final verdict. The next checkpoint is the live search result page, or SERP. Read what searchers actually see before choosing a format. Are the top results tutorials, product comparisons, templates, tools, official documentation, or something else? A SERP is only a snapshot, but it is better evidence than a format decision made from volume alone. Now choose the smallest useful page type for the reader's job. Use a guide or troubleshooting article for a concept or a one-time problem. Use a comparison page when the reader is evaluating meaningful options. Use a template when the reader needs a document or a process they can reuse. Use an interactive tool when defined inputs can produce a repeatable and explainable result. And choose no new page when the search is vague, irrelevant, conflicting, or already covered. That last option protects a site from near-duplicate pages and keyword cannibalization. After publishing, inspect the page itself. Confirm that the main answer is visible, useful, and technically accessible. AI's search changes the context, but it does not erase these foundations. Google says normal SEO practices still apply to AI overviews and AI mode. That means helpful content, crawlability, indexing, clear structure, and accurate information still matter. Google also says there is no special structured data requirement for those AI features. Schema should accurately describe the visible page you publish. It cannot guarantee AI feature inclusion. Use FAQ sections for people when they help, not as a promise of a rich result or an AI shortcut. Some specific queries deserve a tool page rather than another article. First, a beginner must be able to enter meaningful inputs without specialist help. Second, the same rules must produce a useful result repeatedly. Third, the result must explain its assumptions or limitations in plain language. And fourth, the visitor needs a sensible next step after getting the result. If the answer needs long explanation or subjective judgment, an article is usually the better first format. A reliable tool page has a simple public contract. It states the inputs, the outputs, and the logic that connects them. It includes a public safe example, useful FAQs, and an honest next action. Its structured data must match the visible application or software page, with no hidden FAQs or fake ratings. Coding agents can make the research process faster, but they do not replace evidence or review. You can use Codex, Claude Code, Hermes, or OpenClaw as environments for the same controlled workflow. Give the agent a seed problem, a target market, a language, an audience boundary, and an existing URL inventory. Also state which data sources are authorized before the agent starts. Ahrefs can provide keyword, SERP, site, rank, audit, and brand research where your plan permits access. Semrush provides authorized SEO, keyword, domain, and competitor reports through the endpoints available to your account. DataForSEO can supply Google Ads volume data, keyword suggestions, live SERPs, and ranked keyword data. For every source, API access and units depend on the account and endpoint. Keep those limits visible. Never put credentials in a prompt, a skill file, a report, a CSV, or a log. Use approved environment variables or manage secret storage, and keep the keys out of the agent's output. For every quantitative field, record the source, endpoint or report, retrieval time, market, language, and metric meaning. Do not merge phrases that describe different audiences, platforms, locations, purchase stages, or jobs. A useful research report records the original phrase, candidate query, intent, page type, evidence, and conflict with existing URLs. It should also state the human decision, confidence, and review note for every approved opportunity. If an agent has no authorized SEO data API, it can still organize customer language and search console exports. But any unavailable metric must be labeled unavailable. An agent must never invent a volume or difficulty number. Auspia fits after research as a page readiness and SEO or AI search visibility toolset. It is not presented here as a provider of keyword volume, CPC, paid competition, or keyword difficulty data. The final safeguard is a human review before anything goes into a content plan. Confirm the country, language, retrieval date, and exact meaning of each important metric. Read the query as a human, inspect the live SERP, and check for an existing page conflict. Approve a small batch first. 5 well-chosen pages teach you more than 50 near duplicates. The long-tail opportunity is not a keyword count. It is a verified question with the right answer format. Start with one real customer problem, verify the evidence, choose the smallest useful page, and review it like a human. For post-publication checks, explore Auspia's public SEO and AI search readiness tools at Auspia AI/tools.